Brazil's daily COVID death toll has passed 3,000 for the first time as the virus continues its rapid spread, pushing hospitals close to collapse. The country has reported 298,676 deaths linked to the virus since the start of the pandemic, with experts saying the situation is virtually out of control. President Bolsonaro, who opposed lockdowns and criticized face masks, defended his actions on Tuesday. Pot-banging protests were held in major cities during his televised address. The far-right president, who repeatedly played down the virus, raised doubts about vaccines, and defended unproven drugs as treatment, said he would make 2021 the year of vaccinations. Very soon, we'll resume our normal lives, said the president, who has been under heavy criticism at home and abroad. Shortly before his 4-minute speech, the health ministry reported that 3,251 people. Far-right president is a very mild way of saying fascist dictator. I mean, wasn't Bolsonaro technically like elected in? I mean, as someone who is an avid fan of Michael Brooks, it's good to see that Lula is out and criticizing on public television, but I'm not sure that Lula is like willing to run for president again. Brazil has been struggling with the rollout of its vaccination program with 6.6 doses administered per 100 people, so only like 6%. Many fascists were elected. Yeah, he is like essentially a fascist, yeah. Brazil, okay. Critics say the Bolsonaro government was slow in negotiating supplies amid a worldwide run, leaving Brazil facing delays in receiving jabs. All right. The worsening of the Brazilian outbreak is also attributed to the spread of highly contagious variants of the virus. States and cities have announced a number of measures in recent weeks to limit the movement of people in an attempt to slow the contagion. The president has argued that the collateral damage to the economy brought by restrictions could be worse than the effects of the virus itself, a view shared by many of his supporters, as well as people in the right wing in the United States. But his attempt to stop local authorities from imposing them was blocked by the Supreme Court on Tuesday. Many hospitals are running out of ICU beds, and drugs needed to treat critically ill patients are in short supply. 6 states also reported worrying levels of medical oxygen supplies, the prosecutor general's office said. On Tuesday, the leading health institute, Fiocruz, urged authorities to coordinate a national response and close non-essential businesses in all but 2 states for 14 days. Partial and isolated measures will only prolong this health crisis, the institute's researcher said. To date, Brazil has reported more than 12 million cases, according to the health ministry.